On the airline that Raul is using, the weight limit for both suitcases combined is 50 pounds. The baggage weight limit is 50 pounds for the airline that Raul is using. Raul's first bag weighs 38 pounds. How much can Raul's second bag weigh without going over the limit?
Alright, so in this question we have to build an inequality, and when we build inequalities, it's the same way as building equations. We have to have our total on one side by itself. So in this case, our total is 50 pounds because it said the two bag weight limits combined is 50. Now we have to figure out what's going on the other side of the inequality. And we know 38 will be one number on one side by itself because that's the weight of the first bag. And what we're trying to figure out is how much the second bag weighs. When a number is unknown, we can use a variable. In this case, I'll use B for bag. Now I have to figure out what inequality I should use. You have to think, the weight limit is 50 pounds. So that means you cannot go over 50 pounds. So the largest number should be 50. So that means we're going to use a less than or equal to. Now 50 is included because that's the weight limit. We can go up to 50, but no more than that. Now the way you say this inequality in words is 38, that is the weight of the first bag plus the weight of the second bag cannot exceed the maximum weight. That is how you say that in words. Now we need to solve. And solving this inequality is the same way as solving an equation. If this was 38 plus b equals 50, the first thing you have to do is addition and subtraction in the reverse order of operation. So this is a positive 38, and to undo that positive 38, you have to use the inverse of addition, which is subtraction. So you have to subtract 38 on both sides of the inequality. That cancels out. We're left with B is less than or equal to 12. So that means the weight of the second bag is 12 or less pounds. Next, we're going to graph this inequality. Alright, so I'm going to do a real basic graph. I'm just going to have three numbers. I'm going to have 0, whatever number our dot is supposed to go on, and its opposite. So we have to put our dot on positive 12. Now we have to figure out if it's going to be an open or closed circle. When it says or equal to, that means a closed circle. So my point will go on positive 12. And if you read this, it says B is less than or equal to 12. So that means we need to shade in the less than direction. That means the left. So all possible values for the weight of the second bag is 12 pounds or less.